Hello, my friends. So, made a bunch more money this morning. Like I said, play the volatility. I just been playing both sides, selling profitable legs on those big moves, and then repositioning myself with more spreads. So, like, I'll sell my puts, and then I'll buy some calls and some puts further out. Right now, we're in that opportunity. If you watched the prediction for January 24th, pretty sure that was out like before January came out. Um, you can go check out the picture on tarotfortraders.com. Go to the January 24th, 2022 prediction in the forecast, and you'll see this. Right now, what we're going through is that opportunity, that rally higher. So we had a back and forth, right, between right here. One, two, one, two, three. One, two, three. So yeah, so like right here, that's basically the virtue card confirms a bullish trend. That bullish trend's not going to hold. Right now is that opportunity, as mentioned in the prediction, to open up some short positions, buy some puts, protect against longs. I actually in the morning around here, I sold puts and I repositioned. I bought more puts further out. And I also bought back some short calls, so the short legs of calls, if they were like really, really low, like 90%. So I bought those back, made some money there, and then some of those, some of those calls I bought more of, in addition to the puts that I bought. So like 448 calls, 457 calls, they expire February 4th. 455 calls, 460 calls expire on the 7th. Now, I'm not looking necessarily to have those expire in the money. What I'm looking for, I bought more of them because they were reduced cost for seeing a move higher right around here, right around where we are now, um, and then selling those long calls for the like reducing the loss on that end. So making more of a profit on the short end, making back some of the loss on the long end, and then reposition myself in preparation for some more movement downward. Now, this is tomorrow. We have a lot of signals here of lows and of um, sharp declines. Same thing on Wednesday. So any calls that I do buy are out far, like the end of February. And those 470, 460 vertical spreads that I bought or diagonal spreads that I bought, they're looking pretty juicy. Hmm. All right, well, that's where I'm at, guys. I'm repositioning myself in anticipation of more decline. But like I said, guys, when you look at the 1 month, this is the Ace of Swords day. There's a high correlator, a low correlator. Like I said, I probably wouldn't see a like a month's high, but we see some sort of notable high there. There's a lot of volatility today. Looks like we have a low at the end of the day, however, and that's confirmed with low correlator here at the end of the day. So yeah, there's going to be this is sort of like the breakout here, right? The high forms from a breakout. We have a high correlator here, and then we have a push lower. looks like we revisit this low, that low earlier this morning as well. All right, guys, so that's where I'm at right now. My nearest term expirations are now, aside from the one 438 put that expires on the 26th, I'm looking to sell that in just a little bit, or roll it out, I should say. Geez, I bought it for $3. It's almost $12 now. I already sold a few of those. But that expires on the January 26th. Aside from that, all my puts expire out in February. The 2nd, the 4th, mostly the 4th, the 7th, some 11s and some 18s. But again, guys, just to be clear, I'm on both sides of the market. That's the way to play volatility. When you foresee big moves, just let it move far enough one direction that you're profitable, and then you reposition again because it's volatility, guys. Lots of volatility going on here. As I said, check it out on the 1 month. Right here is where I said volatility would start to pick up as we move towards retrograde. This is where retrograde happened on the 14th, where it started, and now look at that, guys. This definitely resembles the February 2020 or February 2020 retrograde, where it didn't reverse; it just went sharper and sharper down. This is definitely what this is looking like, guys, to me. So I am playing both sides of the market, but again, my long positions are out far, like the end of February. Everything else is puts, long puts. I have calls that expire out in February. My puts are a little bit nearer term. Those are like the February 2nd, February 4th, most of them. My calls are like February 7th, February 11th, February 18th. And that's where we're at, guys. I'll be back on in a bit. Hopefully, you guys have been watching. Hopefully, you guys have been following along. You would have seen a lot of money being made here. I'm glad that there's some people out there doing that. Spread the word, guys. Let's spread the love. Pay it forward. Comes back threefold. I promise you that. And with that said, don't forget to like and subscribe, my friends. It helps out a lot. I'll see you all later.